question that we have been asked is what if I receive a retainer which is actually cash? How do they actually handle it in uLaw? Now, to answer this question, let's now actually create a customer and walk through the business process of how the cash actually flows when you get a retainer, not by a check or any other bank transaction, but by a cash transaction. So let me go ahead and create a contact. So let me create a client. So in this name, I'll call her Alicia Biggs and create a matter for her. Say, let's assume that this is actually a speeding matter. Okay, and make it a traffic violation, and we do a save. Now at this point, the first thing you're going to ask Alicia is to give you a retainer. Now if she gives you a cash retainer, the way you will report that in uLaw is you'll click on new retainer, say it's $500. You will report that it's actually a cash payment. Now when you report it's a cash payment, you have two choices. You can either deposit in your cash account or your petty cash account. Say for now you're putting it in your petty cash account, that's your drawer, and you'll do apply. Now immediately when you do apply, uLaw will give you a warning saying that you have 2 days, that's 48 hours, to transfer this cash from the petty cash account into your bank account. So click OK, go to accounts and go to petty cash account. You should see that the retainer is now sitting in the petty cash account. Now, whenever you go to the bank and deposit this $500 for Alicia into your trust account, you will do the following in uLaw. You'll click on Action button, you'll click on Transfer, and then you will do a bank transfer, and you will basically take it from your petty cash and put it into your trust account. And that could be, say, you have to express the date when that was actually done. You can say Alicia cash retainer transfer to bank, and you'll do a transfer. Now as soon as you do a transfer, notice what happens. It'll put a credit entry, okay, for Alicia, and corresponding to the debit entry, and everything will get nullified. So if I go to my trust account and actually see what happened there, I should now see a debit entry for Alicia. So let's walk through the business process again. So to summarize, you will see that when you actually entered the amount as a cash entry in uLaw, under petty cash, we would first put a debit entry of $500, and then you would do a bank transfer, which would actually put the credit entry and transfer that into your pool trust account as a cash deposit.